This Valentine's Day, treat your loved ones with this easy eggless red velvet brownies or no-bake cake pops. So come, let's see how I made the brownies. For that, in a bowl I have taken white chocolate and some butter and then melted it. Now let's move on to the dry ingredients. For that, in a bowl I have taken 1/4 cup powdered sugar and half cup refined flour. And to that I have taken half teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. To this, add the melted chocolate and butter mixture and start mixing with the help of a whisker. To this, add 2 tablespoons dahi and form a thick batter. Now let's add some red gel food color. Now the batter looks absolutely ready. Let's transfer this to our mold. Here I have taken a square baking dish and greased it with some butter. After transferring the batter to the baking dish, I'll spread it out with the help of a spatula. And for the final part, I have added some white chocolate chips on top. Now let's bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Our red velvet eggless brownie is ready. Now let's demold it. I have sprinkled some icing sugar on top, which is completely optional. Now let's prepare our second dessert, which is no hassle no bake red velvet cake pops. For that, here I have taken some leftover red velvet cake. You can also use some store-bought red velvet cake and crush them gently with your hand. To this, add some cream cheese frosting or normal whipped cream frosting or white melted chocolate. Use your hand to bring it together and form a dough. Now take small portions from the dough and prepare some small balls like this. Refrigerate it for 1 hour until it becomes stiff. Now for the coating, take some white chocolate and melt it. Dip the balls into the melted chocolate and coat it like this. Once all the balls are coated nicely in melted chocolate, refrigerate it for 1 or 2 hours.